The Gobbler Supper Club in Wisconsin gained fame for its turkey-shaped architecture and distinctive menu. Unfortunately, financial troubles and discrimination lawsuits ultimately led to its closure in 1992. Similarly, Sambo's restaurant chain faced severe backlash due to its racist connotations. Despite a rebranding effort, the chain filed for bankruptcy in 1981, with only one location continuing to operate until 2020. In addition to this, Beefsteak Charlie's, recognized for its inviting ambience and steak sandwiches, struggled to maintain its popularity. Even with an all-you-can-eat salad bar, changing consumer tastes eventually overshadowed the restaurant. In the 1980s, Beefsteak Charlie's faced further challenges, grappling with competition and shifting preferences despite attempts to refresh its menu. Ultimately, the chain declared bankruptcy. Burger Chef, established in 1954, was once a favorite for its family-friendly environment. However, it could not keep pace with industry giants like McDonald's and Burger King, leading to its acquisition by Hardee's in 1982. Howard Johnson's, renowned for its ice cream and classic American dishes, also struggled during the 1970s due to fierce competition from fast food outlets. Sold to Marriott in 1980, the chain failed to modernize effectively. Bonanza Steakhouse emerged in 1963 and became popular for its budget-friendly steak and buffet-style dining. Over time, however, it faced criticism regarding food quality, resulting in a significant reduction of locations. Wimpy's, a fast food chain founded in 1934, encountered difficulties in maintaining quality amid rising competition. Despite past popularity, this led to its eventual phase-out and transformation into other fast food brands. Ponderosa Steakhouse attracted attention for its varied menu and reasonable pricing. Nevertheless, issues with smaller portions and declining food quality contributed to its bankruptcy and a substantial decrease in operating locations. Rack's restaurants experienced a significant decline, filing for bankruptcy multiple times due to ineffective marketing strategies and a shrinking number of locations. By 2024, only 6 establishments remained operational. Horn and Hardart transformed the restaurant industry with its self-service automat concept. However, the chain struggled to maintain relevance and quality, ultimately leading to its disappearance from the market. Geno's Hamburgers, recognized for its quality food and innovative marketing strategies, encountered challenges after its acquisition by Marriott, which converted many locations into Roy Rogers. This shift resulted in a decline attributed to inconsistent food quality. This chain was particularly known for its signature dish, the London broil steak, and its cozy, pub-like atmosphere that initially attracted many diners during its early years. Steak and Ale underwent multiple ownership changes, including a merger with Bonanza and Ponderosa. These transitions significantly contributed to a decline in quality over time. By 2008, the restaurant chain faced Chapter 7 bankruptcy, leading to the closure of all remaining locations and marking the end of its once thriving presence. Arthur Treacher's Fish and Chips, established in 1969, expanded rapidly but ultimately faltered due to issues with quality control. The brand filed for bankruptcy in 1982. Lum started as a humble hot dog stand in 1956 and gained popularity with unique offerings like beer-steamed hot dogs. However, despite initial success, it struggled to sustain customer interest over the years. Lastly, Size Hamburgers, founded in 1956, aimed to compete with McDonald's but ultimately failed to uphold quality and brand loyalty. The chain merged with Hardee's in 1971, marking the end of its independent presence.